Today, we're going to talk about how you can use your computer science, programming, and especially your web development skills for a good cause, and simultaneously use this opportunity for your LinkedIn profile or resume. If you're interested in computer science, cybersecurity, the latest tech news, or you're even trying to get into the elite computer science university ETH Zurich, you might consider subscribing and activating the notification bell to not miss our next video. Back to the video topic. Coming up with project ideas on your own can be tough. Determining what platform to run on, what users will need, and especially running systems as a single person team can be overwhelming, especially cost-wise. So, why don't you help out other people with real-life needs? Listen to the open projects and use your tech knowledge to benefit the general public. As if helping other people is not enough, you can use these experiences to improve your chances with potential employers and gain valuable insight on managing projects and stakeholder needs. I would recommend looking into these sites to everyone who is currently looking for new opportunities in the computer science space, has a lot of free time on their hand, and people who are already on an intermediate level to manage these projects well. So, let's get right into the first website, DevelopForGood. DevelopForGood is a non-profit organization that connects students and graduates with non-profits to work on high-impact and real-life technology projects. Through structured volunteer programs, participants join cross-functional teams, led by experienced mentors to work on solutions that address social issues, like climate change and education access. For beginners in software development, DevelopForGood offers a rare opportunity. You can learn software development in a team-based environment and simultaneously build up a portfolio with socially driven projects. The project is built to mirror the structure and the expectations of the real-life tech industry, giving the participants a first insight in the real-life workflows of a software developer. Now, let's move on to the website CatchAFire. CatchAFire also offers the opportunity to support non-profit organizations. These often need help with tasks like website updates, tech support, or even translation services. Each task you complete helps the organization save time and money, making it easier for the organization to focus on its core mission. The last on our list is volunteering your computer science skills for the Red Cross in the Code for Good program. Wherever you're an operations manager, a full-stack developer, or a solution architect, the Red Cross is looking for tech talent to strengthen its digital infrastructure. While these positions require at least 1 year of experience, they offer flexible and remote opportunities that can be done from anywhere around the world, as long as you have access to a phone, a computer, and an internet connection. The time commitment is manageable. At 3 to 5 hours per week, the opportunity is perfect for people who want to balance volunteering with their professional and personal obligations. Volunteers also attend a monthly operational meeting on the first Friday of every month to stay aligned with the priorities and progress. If these opportunities don't align with your values, you can consider doing independent research and taking the initiative with a company you like. Maybe you want to support a local business, like programming a website for a local shop, or contacting your favorite animal center and programming them a new donation system. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.